This video is brought to you by guidedpracticeroutines.com. Hello everybody, Levi Clay here. Thank you so much for checking out that lick. If you enjoyed it and you want to learn more, well, I have good news. There are 23 others because this is, of course, the advent calendar of blues guitar licks. Now you can come back to YouTube every day and watch them one at a time as I release them, or you can check out the link in the description, head on over to my website, guidedpracticeroutines.com, where I've posted all 24 completely free. So you can check them out there, get the tabs, and get to work. And maybe consider joining us on my Discord, where you can post videos of you playing the licks and I'll be able to give you feedback. Thanks for checking out the video. I'll see you tomorrow.